Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create collage on your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now Instagram has feature to create collage automatically and you can use it on your Instagram story. Okay, you can select collage right here and then you can choose up to 20 photos for your collage. And I'm just going to choose random photos from my device. Okay, I choose 8 photos and then we can click on next right here and then the collage will be created automatically. You can choose cutout version or this version. I don't know what it is called, but wait, the collage is being created guys, and the process depends on how many photos you have selected. Alright, and this is the result. This is the Cutouts version. Wow, it's cool. And this is the sequential version. Okay, let's try the sequential one. And you can choose the one that you like. Yeah, this is for the sequential, but I prefer the cutouts guys, so let's just go back to the cutouts. Okay, done. And once you're done, you just need to click on done, and then you can edit your story. You can add sticker, music, or text, or mention. It's up to you. And I'm going to add music to make it more captivating. Okay, done. And then you can click on your story to share the collage to your Instagram story. Or if you want to edit the photos, you can click on this edit button. Oops, no. You can click on edit and select edit collage. Okay, you can also add photos if you want, or delete the photo. Yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can create a collage on your Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!